Hello everyone, it's Recharger here with another 143 scale video, and today I have something very cool and new for myself. So the brand is Ebbro or Ebbro. It's like all these, and the car itself is the TOYOPET Masterline pickup 1959. So those who don't know what TOYOPET is, it's basically Toyota. And the TOYOPET goes for they used to make these K cars, and well, that's what I was told, and that's why they call them TOYOPETs. So yeah, I wanted to get this one also and the wagon version, but sadly when I arrived to the store it was already gone, so only this one was left. So of course I grabbed this one also. Yeah. What else I can say? Let's see what's on the bottom here. Okay, crafted in China, but produced in Japan, which is pretty nice. So I'm not seeing anything about licensing, but I think they should be, because I've seen Ebbros before. Just this is my first time opening one, so let's have a look. See, oh, there's the license. So yeah. Packaging is pretty nice. Yep. That there, so it comes in an acrylic case. It is screwed down by a very, very tiny little one screw. Okay, that's interesting. So one. Let's get this off. So the base has this interesting texture for it. Okay, let's see if I can get a screwdriver, which is that small. Okay, that was enough, luckily. Okay, got the car off. Let's put this away. Okay, there we go. There's our TOYOPET. Or TOYOPET. I think it's Toyo because Toyota, so TOYOPET. This car actually looks very good. I was told the Ebbro cars are on the cheaper side also, but this feels pretty nice. It looks pretty nice. Lensed tail lights, separately casted, at least at the end here. The exhaust. The exhaust has been designed all the way down. You can easily unscrew this and temper with it if you wish to. The mirror is plastic and it's a separate piece. We have some nice molding action. It looks like it's going to be a nice roller also. I like the white backline there. This part here is plastic. The roof, I think it's plastic. It feels like plastic. So yeah, I think the roof is plastic, but the rest of the vehicle is metal. We have tail lensed headlights. We have some visual, like the grill is visible. Behind the grill you can see the radiator in there. I really like how the grill looks like. It looks pretty cool. Yeah, this is not bad. I am liking this. Rims look fine. Everything looks nice. So I'll definitely be getting some more Ebbros for my collection. Does roll, has a bit of squeak to it, but it's not bad. So I like it, and I hope my viewers like it. If you have ever planned to get one of these, I do suggest it. It's not bad. If you're a person of very high standards, of course, probably there might be some cooler stuff out there, but I think this is affordable, easily affordable, and a very, very cool looking little car. as would have been probably the wagon, which I didn't end up getting. A little bit disappointed on that one, but what can you do? First come, first get, so that's that. Okay, so hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.